Alright guys, this wind is actually pretty bad. You have high west winds, which is, I'm glad it's west, because if it was east, then that tree right there would blow, or this tree right here would blow onto our house. But that's what a severe thunderstorm would do. So I'm going to show you the weather right now. Now there appears that there were a couple lightning strikes like around the area when it was raining. Oh, my modulator siren's going off. Man, oh my god, did you see that? Everyone's house just flickered. Like, we're gonna definitely see some power flashes. You can hear the modulator siren. Honestly, sounds like a tornado is coming through. Oh, now I hear like an ambulance or something. Damn. So this is actually not even the biggest part of it. Like, if you look here, we're about to have winds up to 31 miles an hour. Oh my god, that just makes me scared. But yeah, here it says. And then there's a severe weather alert that says special weather statement. Oh crap, did my weather thing crash? Oh my god. Now I can't even view my own weather alerts. Like, that's BS. Alright. I'm gonna have to show you it on this website here because my weather app is just not gonna work. Okay? So let me read the special weather statement. It says a strong cold front. Alright, I'll just show you that here. Strong cold front, wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Basically like a severe thunderstorm. Gusty showers, except we don't have gusty showers here. It's not raining or anything. We just have a gigantic windstorm. See, there are some like clouds here. This wind might knock me down. I'm wearing shorts, and I probably should put some pants on. Yeah, let me change the exposure. Hold on, let me turn it down. How do I turn this down? I think it's manual focus. I can't change it, but just know that it's not this bright in person. Oh, did the power just go out again? Oh no, that was our light. We might see extensive tree damage. or broken tree branches. Any flash that you see will not be a lightning flash. It'll be a power flash. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'll be back. I'll see you then.